got all that fog over there? Come on. I'm gonna get it with my hands. What's up, man?
You guys ready to go crabbing?
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm ready.
Yes.
Yeah, we're ready.
We didn't get up real early. We got up about 5 o'clock, but we hope it's not too crowded. Too crowded this morning. These guys were up. I figured it'd be hard to get these little two knuckleheads up, but nope, they were up, ready to go. My wife didn't even get a chance to drink her coffee before.
Yes, I did.
We were up like
yes, she
4
did.
o'clock in the morning for like,
You got up at 4 o'clock?
Yeah. 4:49.
Oh, really?
4:49.
All right. Okay, we're all pretty much packed up. We're ready to go.
Let's go.
All right. If it stays this windy, like this breezy, well, man, it'll be good.
Now I got an orange one in there, so we need to get that one out. Gotta help, come on. Slowing down, slacking. All right, know the drill, right?
Like this? You can hold it?
No.
Oh, we have to wash your hands.
Uh-oh, you didn't undo those.
Oh, I didn't.
You gotta make sure it doesn't have any knots. Okay?
Just gonna try. See how she did short strokes? Good. Oh, the boat heavy.
Yeah. All set?
Drop it. Right down.
Okay, I'll do that.
That's all right.
You want to try it next?
Yeah.
Yeah, stay back here until you get up almost up to it.
Like we're like 2 feet.
Yeah, I think we're trying to go further out. I'm telling you. Oh, okay. All right, let me put them in. That's good. And as soon as that happens, you gotta throw it right back in your eye next.
Keep coming.
Oh, hold up.
As it gets heavy.
No. All right. All right, my turn. Jellyfin. Forgot about the crab being here. I was gonna go get the other one and put it out. The claw. I'm an idiot.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
What did you try to do?
Dolphin. Sorry, I hit him in the head. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, look at that one. Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
These 3 foot.
Woohoo!
They're in shallow water, I'm telling you what. If we go and we...
Yeah, watch your thing.
Alright.
Seriously?
Yeah, you see how it's standing up?
Yeah, it means it's on 1 foot of water.
And the tide's going to be coming in.
Okay. Yeah, and it'll get right next
Because we're
to
in
that.
15 foot of water. From right there to here, went from 1 foot to 15 foot.
Oh yeah, baby. Watch out. Sorry, what's up with this? What's this?
7 foot.
7 foot?
2 foot 8. See what gets crabbing right here.
Oh, that's too small.
Put them in there.
Put them in there. Oh yeah.
Look at that one.
Watch it.
Hey,
You guys, you're gonna
you need to get out of there.
Alright, because I might be in a hurry.
If she's swinging crabs in there, one's going to land on you and you ain't going to like
Whoa,
it.
he's sitting.
That was a big one, wasn't it?
The stingrays are out here, aren't they?
Yeah, I just told you there was some right there. Skates. Oh, skates.
Stingray, stingray. grabbing it.
Why do you got that lid on there?
Because he was
Alright, you're gonna
trying
have
to
to
get out
hold on
now.
for a second. Get past this building. Alright, get ready to drop.
I am, honey.
Alright, get ready to drop.
Alright, one crab, please. No.
Alrighty then.
Females know how to flip themselves.
That way. Is everybody looking?
Oh, we got one.
That's the female again. Now you got your female. Oh, look. Oh, guys, that's so cool.
Yeah, we got turtles. That's snapping turtle.
No, that's a terrapin.
Oh, he's cute. I would take it. Look, he's trying to
He's
get
a
out.
terrapin, so we're gonna throw him back in.
Oh, that's right. That's
Terrapin, they're illegal.
endangered.
Right in the boat. Oh, right, this one. Underneath. Get him out.
He got it. All right, a little one, but I don't know if it's gonna make it.
It's gonna be good. It's good enough. Hey, buddy. You're good enough. Looks like the other one. Can you help me though? You're gonna help me, right?
Yes, good. Very good. Good. Good.
Right there. Gotta get turn.
Oh, look, guys.
Oh my God,
There's a bigger one. Oh my God, oh, look at he cute. Oh my God, I would love to have one of them. That's a terrapin.
It's a terrapin. Maryland
Aren't they
terrapin. Another
beautiful?
one, a bigger one.
That's a beautiful one.
Yeah.
Okay, what foot is it?
15. Told you, you go around to the back. If you're gonna get like that's okay. I'd say you can go to the back and step on the little motor there.
Maybe that's the one we picked up and we don't realize it.
Stop when we start moving again, alright?
10 foot. Crab.
That's right.
All right, so now pull the other one out.
There's
Oh yeah, monster. Woohoo!